Here's how you can free up space on Android device. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, open up settings on your device, scroll down a bit and locate storage section. So as you can see here, I have 128 GB at total, but 102 GB has already been used. And underneath, you could also see apps that has consumed 57 GB of my storage. Likewise, the video has consumed 17 GB and the image as well. And as per the trash section, what you want to do is, since this is not needed, so you could go to the trash folder and you could go ahead and see any file that has been trashed for 30 days will permanently delete. So after 30 days only, this is going to be permanently deleted. But what you could do is you could go ahead and select all of these at once. If this is not necessary, you could go ahead and delete it. And for the confirmation, you could go ahead and select the delete button. As you could see, I am actually going to free up my space. And now head back. Once again, head back and go to this free up space at the very top. Now, over here, you could then go ahead and select all of these options. You could go ahead and select files like this and delete all of it as well. You could go ahead and select move files to trash, and once again, you could go to the trash section and delete all of these. So then, next thing, what you can also do is you could also back up photos and videos. So if you have Google Photos installed to your device, you could open up Google Photos, tap onto the profile at the very top, and you want to make sure to toggle the button for backup. So simply tap on the option that says turn on backup. This is also going to help you out to free up your space. So these are a couple things you could try in order to free up storage on Android. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.